So far, we've seen how you can work with Advanced Installer directly from its own user interface. Now, let me show you how you can create and build your Advanced Installer projects directly from Visual Studio. First, make sure you have installed Advanced Installer on your machine. Then go to Visual Studio and install our official extension. Once the extension has been installed, we are ready. In this demo, we have loaded the MSIX Troubleshooter solution, and we want to add an Advanced Installer Setup project in this solution. First, we'll create an empty project using the template installed by our extension. As you can see, this project does not contain any files or customizations. We could start editing directly from Visual Studio and add our binaries in the project, or we can do it directly from the Advanced Installer UI using this little shortcut. However, since we already have an Advanced Installer project file, let's use that one. First, we need to remove the empty Advanced Installer project file that was generated from the Visual Studio solution. Then, we just use the Add Existing Item option to include our existing project. As you can see, Visual Studio has loaded the project with all of its customizations. Now we are ready to build it. And here it is. Our MSI gets generated every time we build our solution.